sometimes you are lucky also. Just 600 meters away from your hotel, you get your charger. Before starting our journey, we've got breakfast in this hotel, Kesari and Vada. Kesari Vada, wow, dosha. Aloo paratha, I don't need that. Idli aayirukku. This should be idli. And you've got rice also. No, this is upama. And dal. Chutneys. Now this is what happens when you have a good charger. I've done charging for 42 minutes and I've achieved 97% already. I was at 55 when I started this. And this is my breakfast. And you know what? They're serving bread, butter, omelette, all those things also. Who's gonna have that when you're in southern part of India? Not me, at least. Oh yes, I have achieved from 55 to 100 in 59 minutes, I think. Yes, 52 minutes. Energy 25.02 kilowatt hour. Hey. Okay, this is how Tata welcomes you. City. I've got 450 kilometers of driving range. And when I put it to Eco, I've got 477 kilometers of driving range. Yesterday, from where? I don't know from where we had started. We were on the highway and we had started from that part. It was after Hyderabad. From there till this place, it's called Salem in Tamil Nadu. We did 649 kilometers. And total from Kathmandu, we have done 2,752.2 kilometers already. Here the average energy consumption is 120 watt hour per 100 kilometer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this trip A to 0. Yes, trip B will remain as it is. And I'm really happy with this charger. You know, whenever you're traveling by an EV, when you get this kind of charger, it's a big thumbs up.
Highway 44 for 2 kilometers.
Yes, we have started our drive. We are 6 hours 47 minutes away from our destination.
Share.
Wow. We're about to take a U-turn from the front. That's the difficulty here, you know. It's good actually. At least you have to follow the rules and regulation. You have to go there. Yesterday we missed one turn and we had to travel additional around 10 to 15 kilometers in Bangalore. 10 to 15 kilometers just because we missed one cut. Now we need to go that side, but I think we're going to travel around 8 to 10 kilometers to take a U-turn and come. Got that? And with this vehicle EV, every kilometer counts. See, I've got one mobile here. This is for finding a charger. I think in the day one vlog I have explained when my mobile app was not running properly. I'm not gonna share that information again because I want you all to watch all my videos. So day one video I've said what was the problem.
All those Divya gang.
If you are coming this side with your EV.
If you don't want to get suffered in this suffer.
Salem पनि ठुलो भएछ यार यति वर्षमा. धरा हस्पिटल. Hotel Green Ridge. Nice hotel.
कुनै जमाना
दुईटा केटीएम नाइस. तपाईँले कर भिभी साह्रै नै इन्जोय गरे जस्तो छ. Every inch of it, every bit of it. Seat त साह्रै comfortable छ. र यो ट्रिपमा I couldn't drive much. Not because I don't want to drive, but because I have to navigate and I have to find the charger.
तपाईको काँधमा धेरै जिम्मेवारी.
मेरो काँधमा जिम्मेवारी छ. Charger find out गर्न भनेको. See, this part it's easy. We were almost giving up when we got into Bihar state from Nepal after crossing the border. Almost at the verge of giving up because there was no charger. And at that place also good thing is Tata has reached there. You'll only find Tata's charger in Bihar. Few are there, few other companies are also there, but Tata's presence is good there. Good in the sense when you are comparing it with other service providers. That's the highway and this is our charger. लेफ्टतिर रोकिदिउँ होला है. अर्को आयो भने पनि भन्दा के यहाँ गाडीमा अरू मैले अहिलेसम्म एउटा चार्जिङ पोइन्टमा पनि अर्को गाडीहरू देखेको छैन
दोस्त भेटेको छैन
दोस्त भेटेको छैन वी हेभ डन 203 kilometers we still have 163 kilometers of driving range and 44% is left you know the battery was draining like crazy because I was driving in sports mode tufan चलाइरहेको थिएँ आज because I know that I have got 60 kilowatt charger on the front के किन भयो जस्तो यति खुसी ल म चार्ज गरेर आउँछु है सर 2.34 kilowatt hour achieved already this is 60 kilowatt charger okay 50% achieved we have 1 hour 15 minutes to go 60 kilowatt le and my suggestion to Tata choti muh badi baat hai na see I mean I was so happy to see 60 kilowatt 150 kilowatt charger pani rahicha southern part of India ma nice southern meaning after Tamil Nadu it is not available in Karnataka it is not available in Telangana it's not available in Andhra Pradesh but this side oh yes we have got 60 kilowatt 150 kilowatt charger and it would be great you know Tata they are the first people to reach places where others haven't sano charger Tata ko 30 kilowatt charger is already there in many cities right when I'm telling this Bihar is in my mind so the sano charger let it be there there people in the city will require it on the highway and all maybe you can upgrade and choti mu badi baat once again I know you guys have thought about that already te bhi bhanna man laga because I'm so happy to see this here I don't have to download any other app because you guys are the biggest network in India right nice अब यो 60 kilowatt को charger ले तो दिल garden बनाई दे that's the reason I was brutal throttling the car today I was following traffic limits everything was there when you talk about speed I was on the higher side 1 घण्टा बाँकी छ त्यो भन्दा कम टाइमै लिन्छ यसले मलाई थाहा छ we'll wait for some time AC is on seat ventilation is on and we're not that tired today because after 4 days we slept yesterday if you haven't seen my vlog previous vlog please do watch it Kanyakumari is just 250 kilometers away from here yeah so was sleeping he's having a headache
yes I'm having a terrible headache सायद ज्यानलाई पनि गाडीमा सुत्न
होटल पसेन जस्तो छ हिजो होटलमा बसेको होटलमा
सुत्दिनसम्म 4 दिन I was fine
हिजो होटलमा कम्फर्टेबली सुतेको पसेन
गाडी बढी कम्फर्टेबल भयो क्या
हुन सक्छ 98% is and I've got 391 kilometers of driving range in city and 415 in eco mode which is activated charge summary के होते हैं 1 hour 3 minutes लागेछ मलाई 32.990 kilowatt hour consume गर्नलाई 692.79 rupees रहे sir I just have 1802 rupees sir I think that's enough for us to reach Ernakulam tomorrow
I don't think so
we'll have to do some top up we'll do it no worries केही न केही जुगाड लगाइहाल्छ साउथ इन्डिया आफ्नै घर हो लेट्स गो धेरै मुशक्कत पछि फाइनली we got a place to eat crazily hungry what's the time it's 2:30 already खाना भनेर रोकेको बेकरी परेछ so we did not have our food we are still hunting for food place भोक लागेको बेलामा होटल पाउँदैन होटल पाएको बेलामा भोक लागेको हुँदैन चार्जर र होटल सँगै हुँदैन खै के बस बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट द हाइवे विन्डमिल यस्तो दामी देख्छ यहाँ अहिले त एउटा मात्रै देखिरहेछ त्यहाँ एकछिनमा टन्न देख्छ दुईटा देखियो अब आउँदैछ That's the windmill there and on the left you can see the blades check out the size त्यो windmill उता घुमिरहेछ ब्लेड यो ट्रकमा छ यति ब्लेड हैन प्रोपेलर यति लामो हुन्छ हेर्नुहोस् अर्को ट्रकमा हेर्नुहोस् कति लामो छ यस यतातिरको विन्डमिलहरू त सबै बन्द गरेर पो राखेको रहेछ कुनै पनि काम गरिरहेछ city of windmill. What you order? Actually, it's all windmills. Oh yes, people, we are in Kanyakumari now. What we are doing is, my friend suggested this place, Vivekananda Kendra, to stay. It's better than hotels, it seems. So I came here. The worst thing is our car, it doesn't have enough battery percentage now. We are at 30, I think. Ashramma check-in gariyo. There's so much of formalities here because we are Nepali, passport number, these, that, everything they asked for. We gave them. Now we are going towards the Rock Memorial.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
We have done 472.9 kilometers from Salem to this place, and the energy consumption was 147.0 watt hour per 100 kilometers. Time is 6 p.m. Indian time now, and 3,225 kilometers is the total distance that we have covered from Kathmandu till here. Average energy consumption was 123 watt hour per 100 kilometers. Welcome to Kanyakumari, people. Welcome to Kanyakumari. Tata Curve EV, you have done it. We have done it, sir.
Yes, congratulations to us.
Congratulations to both of us. So people, that's Vivekananda Rock Memorial in the background. We are not allowed to go there now. They've closed it at 6. Maybe tomorrow we will go there. We had started this drive on 6th of June. 5th was the flag off, which was Thursday. We did the flag off on 5th because it was World Environmental Day. And after doing the flag off, we started the journey the next day, Friday, 6th of June 2025. We started at what time? Around 2:30 or 3 we started. And today is Wednesday, 11th June. So 6 days driving this EV we came here. And few things I want to talk about, only twice we took hotel. Once on 6th and once yesterday. Otherwise we couldn't take a hotel. We couldn't book a hotel, we couldn't stay inside the hotel. Because charging station, managing places, all these things was really difficult. Yeah, 3,225 kilometers from home. Here we are at Kanyakumari. We have another 3,000 plus kilometers to go. Once in a while we are resting. We are sleeping inside the car. But I think this Curve EV did not sleep at all. Because when we were sleeping, car was on. Because we needed AC inside. When we were charging, the battery was working. Motor was taking rest that time. More or less, if you look at things, this car was on all 6 days. That is the kind of reliability I am looking at. 6 days, I don't think the first day we can consider because that was just a drive from Kathmandu to Birganj. 5 days, 3,225 kilometers, here at Kanyakumari. Welcome to Kanyakumari.
Basically, I was not a EV lover, basically, होइन अनि तर a kind of range this vehicle is delivering, होइन a kind of comfort this vehicle has given to us. Like हामी 3 रात 4 दिन त हामी कन्टिन्युसली यही गाडी चलेको थियो बसेको तर पनि जिउमा थकान छैन नि त त्यो हिसाबमा I am a big fan of this vehicle now.
Are you planning to consider EV next because you are an IC?
Maybe.
अब last time हाम्रो यो first time त हैन, second time हो हैन. Last time हामी बाइक मा आएको थियौ. त्यतिखेर हामीले यति टाइम स्पेन्ड गरेको थिएन होला यहाँ. अहिले राम्ररी टाइम स्पेन्ड गरौ, हेर्नु कति मजा आइराछ त्यो हेर्नलाई हैन. थिंग्स आर ग्रेट हियर. भोलि मौका पायो भने हामी उता जाउँला अब हेरौँ के छ टाइमिङ भनेर.
यहाँसम्म हेरौँ
हैन.
Two hearts running wild.
We just came to a restaurant and I noticed they've displayed this bike here. I think it's a very old under 50cc bike. Luna. Very old one. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் அக்கா இந்த வண்டி? இந்த வண்டி யார் ஓனர்? ஓனர் ஒரு வண்டியா? என்ன டீடைல்ஸ் தெரியுங்களா உங்களுக்கு? இல்லையா? கேட்டு பாருங்க. எங்க இருக்கு? இருக்கு அங்க. இந்த வண்டி ஏது இயர் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்? தெரியலையா? சரி பரவாயில்ல. गाडी बाइकको बारेमा सोध्नु खोजेँ थाहा रहेन रहेछ। अब हामीहरू चिज खाँदैछौँ। आपम भनेको मलाई एकदम मनपर्ने चिज हो र यो ग्रिन पिज भनेको यसलाई पटानी पनि भन्छ, ग्रिन पिज मसाला पनि भन्छ होइन। यो खान्छौँ। बिरयानी पनि मगाएको छौँ हामीहरू। लेट्स सेलिब्रेट। आश्रम, हाम्रो आश्रमको रुम यस प्रकार छ। डिसेन्ट आश्रममा धेरै चिज एक्सपेक्ट गर्नु हुँदैन, यति नै हो। सो पिपल, आई थिङ्क द्याट्स इट फर टुडे। वी जस्ट ह्याड आवर डिनर, सेलिब्रेसन डन, मिसन K2K डन। Tomorrow onwards our return journey will start, but we are not doing the same kind of drive that we did when we are coming this side. We are going to Ernakulam. Before that we have an event to do tomorrow at Tata's showroom here. After that event we'll go to Ernakulam. I think reaching Ernakulam is going to be a little tough tomorrow because we don't have battery percentage at all. We are at 29.
Yes,
29 and there is no charger nearby. From Ernakulam we'll be going to Coimbatore, from Coimbatore to Bangalore, and from there it is going to be a return journey like the same route that we took. But after reaching Riva in Madhya Pradesh we might go take a different route. We are yet to decide on that. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much people for watching this video. I've shared all the information. Still, if there is something else that you want to know, comment section is all yours. Do comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful time. Stay happy. Bye bye and ciao.
नमस्कार.